Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today as we learn a new sound. Are you ready for your brains to get stronger? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the ch sound. Now the ch sound is a digraph or special friends because the letter C and H together make the ch sound. Now, when I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Are we ready? Ch, ch, ch. Excellent. Now, I wonder what we'll find in my magic box today that uses the ch sound. Let's have a look. Ooh, I found some chocolate. Can you hear the ch sound in chocolate? Chocolate. Chocolate. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the ch sound. Ooh, I've found some cheese. Can you hear the ch sound at the beginning of cheese? Cheese. Cheese. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the ch sound. Oh, I've found some chips. My magic box is making me very hungry today. Can you hear the ch sound at the beginning of chips? Chips. Chips. Excellent. So, chips, cheese, and chocolate all use the ch sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the ch sound. To write the ch sound, we need to write the letter C and then the letter H. So get your magic finger and we start at the top and we go round, and then for H we start at the top, we go down, halfway up, over and down. Now I want you joining in at home, so give your fingers a big wobble, give your shoulders a big roll, so we're ready for writing. And remember, you can use your other hand as a magic piece of paper to write the sound on. Right, magic fingers, start at the top and round, start at the top, down, halfway up, over and down. Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers. Start with our C, start at the top and round. Then our H, start at the top, down, halfway up, over and down. Excellent. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the ch sound. Our first word today is chip. My turn first. Ch, I, p, chip. Now your turn. Chip. My turn again. Ch, I, p, chip. Your turn. Chip. Excellent. Our next word today is chat. My turn first. Ch, a, t, chat. Your turn. Chat. My turn again. Ch, a, t, chat. Your turn. Chat. Excellent. And our last word today is chop. My turn first. Ch, o, p, chop. Your turn. Chop. My turn again. Ch, o, p, chop. Your turn. Chop. Excellent. I wonder if you can think of your own words that use the ch sound. Well done. You should feel really proud of how hard you've worked today. I can't wait to see you again soon.